Hey, this is Eric Hunter, and thank you for purchasing an Orion pendulum. Just wanted to give you a few tips to help you enjoy using your Orion pendulum. So, number one, when you get the pendulum, it's going to come in a little like bag. Just take it out of unwrap the newspaper, take it out of the bubble wrap, and then it has a string on the end with a little bead. Then we have the pendulum itself. Now, the pendulum is meant to be used by just grasping it in your hand and then just allowing the pendulum to spin whatever way it wants to go. Since this is an extremely heavy pendulum compared to most, I recommend that you don't whip the pendulum around because the string could break. Also, just be careful with it. Like when you're holding it, don't put a lot of pressure on this because the string could break. So if the string does happen to break, I made it so you can unscrew the top piece here, and then you can just push the old string out with a pin or a needle, rethread it, put the string back in, tie a knot, and then just pull it back up. And then you just screw it back on. And it's fairly easy to fix, but just be aware of it. This is a very heavy pendulum, and you don't want to put unnecessary strain on the string part. Okay, so yeah, really simple to use. You can polish the pendulum occasionally. You can use a sunshine cloth, or you could use baking soda, or you can use vinegar and salt. I have some videos on YouTube on how to do that. But you don't need to do that right away. But if you notice it's starting to tarnish, you can do that. You can also just wipe it down with a cloth every now and then when you're done using it. Yeah, and just hold it in your fingers and enjoy your healing work with this really awesome design that I came up with. Really great pendulum. Well, thank you so much for purchasing an Orion, and I hope this little video was useful for you. And I will see you next time. Bye.